The Cuisinart Mini Prep. You can't get a much smaller food processor than this. I mean, look at it. It's tiny. It's only got a 21-ounce bowl. It's easy to use. It's only got 2 levers here. All of the parts that get dirty are dishwasher safe. Comes with a stainless steel blade on the inside. And it also comes with a rather extensive manual and a small spatula. The bowl easily locks off and easily locks back on. For safety reasons, you've got a little catch on the side here, and it has to be locked into position in order to operate. It has both a low and a high chopping speed. Let's go ahead and fill it up with some broccoli. First slow. Let's hit the high speed. Let's check this out. Did that do a great job or what? Time to chop some garlic. Can you see what a good job this thing did? That is some beautiful chopped garlic right there. It was a really easy decision for me to buy the Cuisinart Mini Prep. It's just perfect for 1 or 2 people. It's small, easy to store, great for apartments, great for people who live in community settings. I think this little Cuisinart Mini Prep is a win-win for anybody that gets it.